Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So, most people solve this question like 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Then again 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. Now 4 multiply 6 is equal to 24. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS, PEM DAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division, fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Okay, so first we have to solve this parenthesis. So is equal to 5 minus 1. Now solve this parenthesis. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. Okay, now here is subtraction and here is multiplication, both are left. So first priority is multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction. Okay, so 5 minus 6 multiply 1 is equal to 6. Now 5 minus 6 is equal to minus 1. Okay, so the correct answer is minus 1. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.